Thank you for joining me on this Tuesday. I'm meteorologist Brian Shields. I do this channel for safety, and with that said, and I know you are too, I'm thinking of those in Turkey and Syria with that mega earthquake and those aftershocks, the rescue ongoing now. So again, just wanted to kind of lead off with that. So here we are in the Caribbean, the Atlantic. Look at that big spin there as we switch gears to the weather. Watching Bermuda, this has been a big wind maker for Bermuda the last couple days. Nothing Bermuda can't handle, but nonetheless, a little bit problematic. You see the spin right in here. It's lifting away, so there are going to be improvements. Still, the gusty winds today, not as strong as yesterday, but improving more this afternoon. Winds northwest at 48 kilometers an hour or 30 miles per hour. Gust about 80 kilometers an hour. That's about 50 miles per hour. They were gusting to 100 kilometers an hour yesterday with this big swirl here. And look at that tail end of it, dipping all the way back toward the southern Bahamas and Turks and Caicos. Now, elsewhere in the Caribbean, some extra clouds around south side of Haiti. And you see here some of the extra clouds feeding in toward Trinidad and Tobago. May kind of have those overcast conditions in some spots. St. Vincent and the Grenadines, Grenada. As you get back towards St. Lucia, Barbados, some extra cloud cover. At least some of those high clouds around. Now, I want to jump ahead into tomorrow and the end of the week. Now, tomorrow, we're going to see still some spotty showers at times. So hit or miss showers. This is Belize, Honduras, Nicaragua. Jamaica, we could get a passing shower or two. And watching coastal sections of Nicaragua, Costa Rica, and Panama. And then an elevated chance of rain just south of Trinidad. So Guyana, Suriname, northern Venezuela, better chance of rain. But you see these spotty showers. So again, just looking ahead into Wednesday. What I want to do here is take you into Friday, because this is, I talked about this last week. This is what I'm watching next. You see here that extra rain in the Gulf of Mexico. That's the next front. So that's going to enhance the chance of rain for this weekend in our northern zones. But as we get into Friday itself, you see some of those spotty showers that will still be around St. Kitts and Nevis. May get a couple Dominica as well. But then I'm going to keep an eye on this front that'll dive in really Saturday and Sunday and kind of increase our chance of rain here. So I'll be monitoring that for you over the next few days. The next 2 days, as far as rain is concerned, I mentioned the coastal section's better chance of rain. But you see a few brighter colors, Guadeloupe, Dominica, Martinique. Not that we're going to definitely get that, but somewhere in there, we're going to see a few spots that get 75 millimeters. That kind of pink shading you're seeing there are 3 inches of rain just because of that persistent flow near Trinidad. Better chance of some decent totals depending on how it breaks out. Guyana, Suriname, Aruba, Curacao, Bonaire, we may get that passing shower. So for today, back to today, see the rain chance southern zone's a little bit higher, 40% chance, not as much to the north. Puerto Rico and the Virgin Islands, U.S. Virgin Islands, British Virgin Islands, and may get a passing shower. Still some gusty winds east at 40 kilometers an hour. As we get back toward Belize today, better chance of rain, passing shower in Jamaica. Let me know what you've had over the last couple days, if you've had anything. I know some spots have gotten rain. And then again, coastal sections of Honduras, Nicaragua, Costa Rica, Panama, Colombia on the Caribbean side, the overall elevated chance of rain the next 2 days. And you see it in Belize, rain chance today is 60%. Anywhere from Orange Walk down through Punta Gorda. Tomorrow, about a 50% chance. So not widespread, but a decent chance of some scattered showers both today and tomorrow. Look at the seas later today into tomorrow. They will be building South Central Caribbean once again. Typical spot kind of gets the squeeze play this time of year. So any interest here, we're looking at about 4 meters. So that's 13, even 14 feet. They are very elevated here. And of course, near Barbados, you'll notice that too. Seas are going to be choppy. They're going to be elevated. Seas will be around 3 meters at times. So that's over 10 feet. Watching that just to the east of Antigua and Barbuda. So that Atlantic system moves to the north away from Bermuda. We have that higher chance, elevated chance of rain today and even tomorrow. Very active weekend because I showed you, I jumped ahead to Friday. Remember that system that moves into the Gulf of Mexico, that front? Some of those showers will start to work in. So that's what I'm going to be watching next with you. And of course, we're going to watch out for those higher seas. And I'll monitor earthquakes. We had nothing huge, but we had a couple 5.0 in magnitude. One last month, one earlier this month, starting to blend together. But either way, know that I'm on top of that for you. Anything starts shaking, I will keep you posted what I'm seeing out there. Got you covered for safety's sake. Thank you for being part of this channel. I hope you have a great day ahead.